Good morning. Once again, this is your host Noor Ali with Right Tools for Right Job. It is lunchtime for me, and I'm trying to adjust my viewing. So as you know, everything I do is based on the laptop, right? That is my production, or one may call it, that is how I do it. And I don't want the selfie stick to move a lot. There you go. I have to adjust it every once in a while to the right view. Okay? So my approach is very simple. I do take IT terms and put it in an everyday use. Okay? It's all about tools. It's all about devices. Making it easy. All right? Easy things in life. Everyday usage also. Because that's what experience comes from, right? Is how you live your life beside IT. I mean, IT is how you work, you get paid, but there is a life beside IT that you live your day to day, right? So anyway, this is your host Noor Ali with Right Tools for Right Job. We will be ending this series or episodes. I will kind of compare it with the concept of patch management. All right. So this was the device right here. The idea was this part was loose. It came out. So I was not able to hold it correctly and perform the task. There we go again. IT based, right? Deliverables. I was not able to perform the task of sweeping the floor. Let's put it this way. There's a non-IT work using a floor vacuum, tile vacuum, right? And if we add electrical cables, motor, it becomes kind of techy, low-tech item, right? Anyhow, we will kind of attach IT concept in here also. All right, you gotta have fun in life, If you don't have fun, so I chose this option, right? I chose this option. All I want to do is make sure the handle fits into the bar where I can hold this guy and perform my task every day. Every other day, every day, in the morning, in the evening, if you have a dogs, if they shed, and if you're like a wolf or a bear, and if you shed, hairs are everywhere, so you gotta vacuum clean your house, clean your bathroom, whatnot, right? Cleanly place is a godly place. Let's put it this way. So I chose this option right here. Now the handle is onto the bar. Now there are some, that's the aim right there. Okay. And still good. Still a good vacuum. Why waste money? So I restored it. I call this a patch. Very decent for right now. Even if it comes out again, I will repatch it again, okay? Because the motor is working. Why waste money on a new vacuum if I can restore it and use it for a whole year, right? I already had it for a year, maybe more than a year. It's paying for itself, fine. But I don't want to invest more money into it. I'm gonna use it and till it's worth it, okay? Because I think both are Bissell that I have. This is upstairs, this is downstairs, right? So this one I already patched up with electrical tape. This one I used a clear tape right here. Job done. Task complete. Move on. Now if I was in an IT in some company, if I was helping a maintenance guy, maintenance tech, we call them. We make fun about. Did you open a ticket? Is it a snow ticket? Is it a JIRA ticket? Or is it a remedy ticket? And there are other ticket ITIL systems are out there, right? But in your own house, there is no ticket. You gotta get things done, right? Nobody's gonna come help you. You have to clean yourself. You have to keep your house clean. You have to throw the trash. Make sure your equipment, like those vacuum I showed you, towel vacuum, carpet vacuum, are operationable, so you can do your weekend chores, get it done on time, so you can have some peace time, have fun, entertain yourself. After the chores are done, you gotta entertain yourself, right? So always keep that in mind. Know your tools. Right tools for right job. Again, right tools for right job. Okay? Job can be anything. Carpeting, throwing the trash, raking the leaves, blowing the leaves, cutting your trees, your plants. There are all kinds of tools out there for all kinds of jobs. Okay? So you have to know your job first, what you got to do to get paid, so you can pay your bills, right? And what tools are needed and required to get the job done. Always keep that in mind. Right tools for right job. All right? At the end of the day, okay? At the end of the day, for everybody in the world, no matter where they are, with all due respect, right? You got to get paid to pay your bills. I speak the truth, right? End of the day. You don't get paid, you don't pay your bills, guess what happens to you? I'm not going there, right? So, to know your tools so you can do your job, right? Always learn, share, teach, grow. Educate yourself first how to use the tools. Once you have mastered using the tools, you can share with others. Okay? And that's how the whole life is all about, right? You can't grow. Remember, you gotta grow, right? Mentally, spiritually, financially. Financial is there. Why are we working? Why are we working 40 hours, over 40 hours a week? Why are we on calls? Have you been on calls? I've been on calls. I've been in IT for 30 years. I used to carry beepers, pagers, two-way pagers. Now I carry a cell phone. So if you understand being on call rotation, been there, done that, right? Share, learn, teach, and grow. Share, learn, teach, and grow. Remember that, always. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. Till the next topic. Have a great day. Have a great week. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. Thank you very much to all my viewers and audience, as always. This is Noor Ali with right tools for right job.